Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create Azure SQL database and connect it from Azure Data Studio and SQL Server Management Studio 20.2. So first connect to Azure portal.azure.com. Hit enter. Now click on this menu. See here we have the SQL databases, or search here for SQL database. Click on SQL database. See, I don't have any SQL databases. Click on create SQL database. See here, want to try SQL database for free, you have to click on offer. Okay, I don't want. Then select the subscription. If you have the free subscription, select that and select the resource group. If you don't have any resource group, click on create resource group. I have the resource group, so select it. Then provide the name for the SQL database. I am giving database name as R2 scores and select the server. And server, I don't have any server, so click on create new. Then provide the name for the SQL server. So I am giving R2 scores. Then select the region. Select the location and remaining options, and here authentication method I am going with SQL authentication. See, your login name must not contain any of these like admin, administrator, SA, root, or DB manager or login manager, okay, or any built-in database user or role like DBO, guest, public, so it won't allow. So I am giving username as demo admin. Then provide the password. Then click on OK. Now see here, if you want to use elastic pool, you have to select yes, otherwise keep as it is, keep no. And work environment, if it is development, select development, otherwise or production, select production. I am going with development because this is demo purpose. And next, compute and storage. See, by default it has selected 1 core and 32 gigabytes size. If you want to change, click on configure database. Then see here we have the different options. See, basic, standard, budget, premium, and vCore, general purpose, hyperscale, business critical. Okay, so based on requirement you have to select. If you select options, see, this is the cost for this one. If you select hyperscale, cost will be increased. If you select business critical, see, cost is more. Like this we have to select. I am going with basic or budget friendly. See, cost is, this is the cost per month. If you want go with general purpose, cost per month is, this is the one. So I am going with basic. See, this is the cost, estimated cost per month. Click on apply. It is up to you. Later also we can increase this database size. Backup storage redundancy, I am going with local redundant backup storage. Networking, public endpoint, and also see here we want allow Azure services and resources to this server, yes, and select add current IP address. It is like firewall setting, so click on yes, and remaining options I am not going to change. Then click on security. I am going to keep all as it is. Click on additional settings like collection, database collection settings, or see here data source. If you want blank database, you have to select this one. If you have any backup, you have to select this backup. If you want sample table, see, it is going to use the tables of this adventure works. Okay, click on OK. So whatever the tables are there in this database, it will be copied. It is up to you. If you click on none, no, it won't select anything. Okay, so it is up to you. Click on, I'm going to use for demo purpose. Click on next. I'm not going to provide any tags. Click on review and create. See, this is the information, like this is the resource group name, subscription name, region, database name, server name, authentication, and this is the admin login name, computer and storage type, and remaining options. And is going to add the current IP. So click on, if you are okay with all these settings, then click on create. See, deployment is in progress. This may take 10 to 15 minutes. Wait until this deployment completes. See, for me it took only 5 minutes. Now see, deployment is complete. Click on go to resource. See, this is the overview. See, status is online. This is the server name, and this elastic, we haven't select any elastic pool. Connection strings, monitoring, okay, location, subscription name, subscription ID, and all. See here, query editor. Query editor is used to connect to SQL database, and this is the username. Then provide the password. Click on OK. See, we have successfully connected. If you expand tables, see, says these are all the tables comes from the Adventures Works database. Okay, so we can delete them. It is up to you. Okay, this is the one way of connecting. Now we will see other ways to connect to this Azure SQL database from Azure Data Studio and SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio. Click on open Azure Data Studio. See, I don't have any, so click on download Azure Data Studio. Click on it. See, the latest release number is 1.4.8. So click on select Windows and click on user installer and click on x64. Click on it. See, download has been started and its size is 135 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, Azure Data Studio download is completed. Click on open file to install. Accept the agreement and click on continue. Next. See, this will be the location. Click on next. This will be the name. Next. Add to path and click on next. Install. Click on keep the checkbox to launch the Azure Data Studio and click on finish. See, this is the Azure Data Studio console, but we don't have any connection. So click on create a connection. Now click on this new connection. Then here select the MS SQL server, that is Microsoft SQL server. Then server name that we have to provide. Server name is, go back. See, this is the server name. Copy it. Go to SQL server, paste it. Authentication type SQL login, and username is demo admin that I have given. In your case, it may be different. Then provide the password of this demo login. Default. Wait, it is good. See, we have the R2 schools database that we have created, and master is the default database comes with this SQL server. So okay, select the R2 schools and remaining options I am not going to change anything. So click on connect. See, green means it is connected successfully. Click on expand tables. See, we have the same tables. If you want to query anything, just click on select the server and click on new query. If you want to verify the data from this customer, give the select star from customer sales, or simply drag it to here, select it and run. See, we got the 847 rows. Okay, if you want to change database, see here we can change. If you want to create database, just give create database R2 admin, select it, run it. See, it is success. We can verify from this drop down list. See, we have the new database. Okay, if you want to comment these comments here. Okay, another way to connect Azure SQL database is SQL Server Management Studio. If you want to install SQL Server Management Studio on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. I have already installed. Okay, see, I have already added. Open it. Now here we have to select the server type and select the server name. If SQL Server is installed on this machine, then give the server name. Otherwise, if it is Azure SQL Server database, then copy the link. Then select the authentication method. I'm going to use SQL Server, then provide the username, demo admin, then provide the password, then click on connect. Expand databases. See here, I have these databases, system databases. These are the default databases comes with SQL Server. So we have successfully connected Azure SQL database from SQL Server Management Studio also. When we created a new database, see, it has created one more database. If we go to SQL databases, see, we have another database. If you want to delete this database, you can click on this delete. Then we have to provide the database name. Then click on delete. See, it is going to delete. So it is success. If you refresh, the database will be gone. See, successfully deleted. Wait some time. It will see, now it is gone. Wait some time. It will be disappeared from here. Okay, it may take time. So in this video we have seen how to create Azure SQL database and seen how to connect from Azure Data Studio and SQL Server Management Studio 20.2. For more Azure SQL database or SQL Server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.